Saving with Shay. I'm here for Walgreens. So listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So I have my little list. It's funny, I was watching Crazy Deals and Steals. Crazy Deals, Steals and Deals, or Crazy Deals and Steals. Anyway, she does CVS videos, and I was watching some of her live yesterday, and she made a comment. Either she made a comment or somebody else made a comment that all you're gonna get at Walgreens is broken toothpaste, and I could not stop laughing. It was so freaking funny. And putting together the list for today, I kind of low-key was thinking the same thing, because this is my third week back at Walgreens. And I think that's one thing I can say about the drugstores is there'll never be a week without toothpaste. And I mean, lucky for us, we have to use it multiple times a day, so it's not like you can ever go wrong with getting toothpaste. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have like 5 deals to do. I'm kind of like not sure if I want to roll it all back into today or if I want to hold until next week. And so I'm gonna decide once I get in. Hopefully they have everything I need. It looks like I only have to do 3 transactions. I will say one thing I do like about the drugstores is it's a lot faster, because I was at CVS yesterday and I was only in there for like not even 10 minutes. It was really quick. Well, I only did 1 transaction, but even with Walgreens, like in and out, that's one thing I do love about it. But Walmart, y'all know Walmart, I could be at Walmart for an hour and a half. Maybe not an hour and a half, but definitely can be in there for an hour easy. And so we're gonna head into Walgreens. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you didn't have a chance to hit that like button, definitely support your girl. Let me see. If you have a couponing budget for the drugstores, let me know what it is in the comments. Y'all know I'm trying to stick to $10 per store, so $10 at CVS, $10 here at Walgreens. I don't really necessarily have a real big budget as far as Walmart is concerned. Walmart is just whatever I have in my PayPal is my budget, because that's all I use for my deals is my PayPal. And so let me know in the comments. And with that being said, we're gonna head into Walgreens and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. And if you want to see what you got and do, keep on watching. The first transaction I'm gonna do is gonna be on Gillette, and for this we're gonna grab a men at $9.99 and a women's at $9.99. I already have the women's in my basket because there's no more in there. So we're gonna grab the men's Gillette Fusion 5. It's priced at $9.99, and it's a part of a promotion that is buy 2 get back 10. But my tag is not tagged. Am I gonna get it if I get it? I don't know, because it's not tagged. So there's that one, and then the women's down here is also $9.99. So the two are gonna come to $19.98, and then we have a $3 digital for each of them. It'll bring them down to only $1.99 each, which is definitely not bad considering they start off at $10. Right, so yeah, that worked out good. I was a little nervous because I didn't know, because the tag didn't say buy 2 get 10. So I was like, I hope it works. And so listen, so there goes our 2 razors. We had 2 $3 digitals. Subtotal was $13.98. I did use 5 in points, and then we got back to 10. So let me share with you guys the next transaction that I'm gonna do. As you can see, my store is pretty cleared out, like pretty almost cleared out of the Dove. They are on sale for $5 for some, and so they're priced at $5. Looks like they all only have conditioners, so we're gonna grab 2 of these priced at $10. Now for this, we do have a 4 off of 2 digital that we're gonna clip in the app. We'll end up paying $6, getting back $5, brings them down to only 50 cents each. Right, so next we're gonna grab Colgate. Now with the Colgate, we have like a 5 off of 2 digital, 4 off of 2, 3 off of 2. So just make sure you scan them to make sure that the right digital is applying to the item that you have, because yeah, I was over here just scanning this stuff. For this, I'm gonna actually be grabbing the Colgate Max Fresh. I have a customer that really likes the Max Fresh, and so they are on sale for $4.50. And so 2 of them is gonna be $9. And then for this, we have a 5 off of 3 digital. So we'll pay 4, get back 3. It'll bring them down to only 50 cents each. It's so weird that I would be over here by these compression things. I have to have surgery soon, y'all. And I'm gonna probably have to wear a couple of those. This is what our transaction is gonna look like. Our subtotal is gonna be 10 even. That's 6 for the Dove and 4 for the Colgate. We're gonna roll that $10 reward into this. We'll pay nothing out of pocket, and then we'll get back 8 total. And so let's go cross our fingers that this one works out as well. All right, y'all. So listen, this is what this transaction looks like. There goes our Colgate and our Dove. Both our digitals came off. There goes a $10 reward. Subtotal was 0. And then we got back the 8. So I'm gonna do probably one more transaction, and then we're gonna get out of here. All right, y'all. So this next transaction, we're gonna start off with the Colgate. Now I did do the buy 2 get back 3, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the buy 2 get back 5. All right. I think I'm gonna grab the Colgate total again. So 2 of them is gonna be $5. That total is gonna come to 10. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital. That'll bring that total down to you paying 6. You'll get back the 5. Makes them 50 cents each. Now, because I want to use a total of $8 in rewards, I need to go find $2 worth of product to grab. So let me go find something real quick. So I think I'm gonna grab the Dawn Power Wash. It's on sale for $4.99, and for this we do have a $2 digital, and then you're gonna get back $2. So is that right? Oh, that's when you buy 4. Reed, Chanel. That would have been an awesome deal. So we're gonna buy 1 at $4.99, and then we're gonna use a $2 digital. We'll pay $2.99. Yeah, we'll pay $2.99. All right, so this is what we're gonna be grabbing for this transaction. Again, with the Colgate, we have a 4 off of 2 coupon, and for the Dawn, we have a 2 off of 1 coupon. It'll bring that total down to $8.99. We'll be rolling in the $8 in rewards that we got from our previous transaction. And so that'll bring it down to only paying 99 cents, and then we'll get back another $5 for the total. And so yeah, let's go check out, y'all. That worked out good too. This was a really great trip. I mean, it really helps when the cashiers are awesome. Like the cashiers here, they're really awesome. And y'all know, when you couponing and you out in these couponing rebating streets, you know, those cashiers, they make a world of difference. And so even when things don't go great, like they can make it better. You know what I mean? And so, or sometimes they can make it worse. Let's be honest. And so look, this worked out good though. There goes our Colgate. I grabbed the Dawn. All of our digitals came off. Our rewards all went through. So total was 99 cents, got back to 5. And so with that being said, I think I'm gonna call it quits for now here. I'm gonna save this 5. Maybe I'll use it on my other card to kind of start me off. I think I might just start doing that because I started today off with the $5 in Walgreens cash, and I feel like that helped, you know, not coming in with absolutely nothing. And so yeah, so I'll see you guys in the car for the final breakdown. All right, I'm gonna try to make this quick because I had to run over here to Walmart to do a deal real fast. I'll share that with you once I finish up Walgreens. But as far as Walgreens, y'all, Walgreens worked out perfect. Like I did 3 transactions. I didn't really want to spend that much out of pocket for that first transaction, but I really wanted to do that deal to kind of help me roll with the other ones. And so all the transactions worked out perfectly. We did 3 transactions today, and the first one out of pocket was, well, I did roll $5 in Walgreens cash, so, but I'm gonna count that as cash. So the first transaction was $13.98 subtotal. The second one, since we rolled rewards from the first one, we didn't pay anything out of pocket. And then the third one, we paid 99 cents out of pocket. So I'll pop up a picture of everything that I got with the, you know, the retail minus digitals, minus the rolled rewards out of pocket. And then what I ended up getting back was $5 in rewards. I was gonna roll it today, but I just didn't really feel like doing another transaction. And so what I think I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up just, like I said, saving this for either my next trip being on the other card this week or sometime next week. Now, really quick, I didn't hear back from Catalina for the Dove deal I did last week yet, but I did do a support ticket online. And so I'll let you guys know how that works out. Hopefully I get the $10 reward back. If I do, we're good. If not, then I just return it. But as far as this haul here, our out-of-pocket ended up being $14.97, walking away with the $5 reward, nets everything at $9.97, so less than $10 is still good, but out-of-pocket is out-of-pocket. You know, if out-of-pocket is out-of-pocket, all right? I get the whole, you paid 50 bucks and you got back 55 as a $5 limit. No, that's still $55 out of pocket, so I'm trying to keep a low out of pocket, all right? I am trying. And so, yeah. That's not bad. Now, I wanted to mention really quick, I did want to run over to Walmart really quick because my offer on Fetch Reward for the Kraft mac and cheese, I shared this with CBS's video yesterday. It reset for $1.50. These are still in rollback. It's jalapeno and ranch, and they're on rollback for $1, getting back $1.50 on Fetch. So make some 50-cent moneymaker. And then there's also another offer for the Kraft that's also tracking, which is, I think it's spend 6, get back 60 cents on that. And then I also wanted to do the Arm & Hammer again. Hello. It reset for me on Ibotta, $3.98, and got back $2 on Ibotta. I submitted $2 on Checkout 51 and $2 on Easy Bucks, right? So it makes this a $2 moneymaker. So basically, my haul at Walgreens cost me $15, let's say $15, but I made an extra $3.52 to be exact at Walmart. So it drops it a little bit, which is not bad. Oh, really quick, I want to mention this because I did put up a community post yesterday. I saw a couple posts on Instagram I wanted to mention. The Dove bar soap, the single bars, we have an offer on Fetch. I don't have it, and I only use one Fetch account now. I don't have it, but it's $1.50. So if you go to Dollar Tree and grab the single bars at $1.25, it'll make it a 25-cent moneymaker. I was really sad I didn't have that offer because that's the kind of soap that Joseph uses. And so I think the limit is either 3 or 5. And the thing I saw posted was on the gummies. I'll pop up a picture, but it's on the little gummies. They're $1.25. They have like 5 varieties. Only 3 of them are actually scanning for Ibotta for me though, getting back 50 cents. So it brings them down to 75 cents each, limit of 5. So it's a good item if you need something. It's not gonna cost you too much, and those gummies are really, really good. I thought about doing it, but I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna see what this this midweek looks like. I think it's for me, I think I need 15 for 3. So I probably won't be doing that deal there, but I did want to mention it for those of you who happen to be at Dollar Tree, Dollar Quarter, $1.75, Dollar Quarter, More Tree, Dollar and More Tree. Not even Dollar Tree no more. It's Dollar Quarter and More Tree, but that's beside the point. But anyways, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the door, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.